Now our next example actually is the very same problem that we looked at in the previous example. However, we're going to use a slightly different approach here than we did in that case. And you remember what we did before was to take this absolute value inequality and to rewrite it as two separate inequalities joined by the word and. But it's also possible, whenever you have an absolute value less than a positive number, to rewrite it in a more compact form initially. And all we have to do is to take the expression that's inside the absolute value sign and put it between the number that's on the right hand side and the negative of the number that's on the right hand side. Now it's important that the negative of the number be here on the left and the number itself be then on the right. Now all we need to do then is to isolate x in the middle, and to do that I think you'll agree that what we have to do is simply add 8 to each part here. So then we will end up then with 3 here is less than x, which is less than 13. Now you might remember that this is the more compact form that we ended up with in the previous example when we combined together the two inequalities that we had at the beginning. And this will also then lead to the interval notation representation for the solution, so 3, 13. Now I think probably you'll find when you have an absolute value that's less than a positive number that this second approach will be a bit faster and more efficient.